In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Robinhood Gold Card. So you'll need to know that this card has its own separate app. The app basically is Robinhood Credit Card. If you don't have that, you will need to install it. And normally to activate your card, so your card shipment tracking information normally will appear on the credit card tab of your app, not the Robinhood Credit Card app, the first app that you applied from. So the first app that you find this or apply for Robinhood Gold Card. So on that credit card tab of your app, basically it will be updated as your card makes its way to you. Once your card has been delivered to you, you can activate your card for in-store spending by scanning the QR code included with your card packaging. You will also have the option to activate your gold card on the credit card tab of the app. You can just go to the credit card tab on the application and you will find an activate button. Click on it to confirm and start spending. If you don't have the option to activate after receiving your card, you will need to contact their credit card support team for assistance. You can contact the team in your banking app by going to the menu and click on contact support, then contact support, as simple as that. If you do want to add it to your wallet as an example, just go to your wallet and make sure the card is close to your phone, double click on the power button and it will start adding automatically. And normally this is how the app will look like and you'll be able to see your balance. You can also view your card details with your Face ID from there. You can see your reward from there, any other thing from that own app. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.